Health Info Talk provides health and medical information that is quality assured, reliable, up-to-date and easy to understand.
A diet that includes nothing but tuna and eggs will certainly help you lose weight because it's low in calories and high in protein, which makes you feel full. Keep in mind, however, that it's a restrictive diet and quite low in calories. Watching your caloric intake while balancing it with activity that burns calories is the way to lose weight, but with a strict tuna and egg diet, you'll need to be careful about getting too few calories. One large hard-boiled egg has 78 calories, a 3-ounce serving of light tuna canned in water has 73 calories, and the same portion of cooked skipjack tuna contains 112 calories. If every meal included 1 egg and 3 ounces of light tuna and you ate 6 meals a day, you would only get 906 calories. Even if your 6 meals consisted of 6 ounces of skipjack tuna and an egg, you'd only consume 1,812 calories. At 906 calories, this tuna and egg diet is close to being a very low-calorie diet, which is medically defined as 800 calories daily or less. A diet that provides fewer than 1,000 calories daily has a physiological effect similar to starvation. This is why it's not healthy to follow a strict tuna and egg diet more than a few days unless you're under a doctor's supervision. Another downside to severe calorie restriction is that you're likely to regain pounds when you go off the diet. Losing weight at the rate of 1 to 2 pounds a week is a better way to keep the weight off. A tuna and egg diet delivers nutrient highs and lows. You'll get plenty of protein, as it only takes 1 egg and 3 ounces of tuna to provide nearly half of the daily requirement. The combination of tuna and eggs supplies enough niacin, vitamin B12 and selenium, but you won't reach the recommended daily intake. You'll be short on calcium, potassium and vitamin E with tuna and egg diet, and you won't consume any carbohydrate, fiber, vitamin C or vitamin K for a few days. You can boost nutrients by taking a multivitamin supplement. You can consume glucose-containing carbs, or with tuna and egg diet you will be in a fasting state due to low calories. Stored fat breaks down and is converted into ketones, which the brain and other organs use for energy. While this helps you lose weight, the ketones can cause nausea, headache, mental fatigue and bad breath. The body converts amino acids into glucose when necessary. The problem with relying on fats and proteins for energy is that they're not available to fill other vital roles, such as building muscles and producing enzymes. Anyone on tuna and eggs diet must consider concerns about mercury and cholesterol. All types of tuna have mercury, but some are worse than others. Canned light tuna and fresh skipjack contain a moderate amount, while canned white albacore tuna and yellowfin have high levels of mercury. Canned light tuna and skipjack should be limited to no more than 36 ounces, or 12 servings of 3 ounces each, a month. Ounces of canned light tuna contain 60 micrograms of selenium, and 1 hard-boiled egg adds another 15 micrograms. Selenium becomes toxic if you consume more than 400 micrograms daily, so keep track of the amount you eat. because there aren't any formal guidelines about how to implement the tuna and egg diet, you can make it better balanced by adding a few nutrient-rich foods.
Thank you for watching Health Info Talk. Please subscribe to our channel for regular updates and news. And do like our FB page, www.facebook.com/healthinfozone. Follow us on Twitter at HealthInfoTalk1.